You're gonna see all those ones that you missed so badly, all those ones that you lost. You're gonna be surrounded by your beloved ones, and all the answers to all your questions will be solved. And you will see the light, and everything will come to your face with such grace and served on silver plate. And then we'll come back to this world, into that healed world and illuminated and healthy world, when all creation is reflecting His greatness in full power, in an active way, that all the animals are working and understanding humans, and all humans are friends, and there are no reason to worry anymore, and no one lack a thing, and everyone are walking and dancing, and everyone takes out his instruments and plays. And if you're a guitar player, you suddenly got the best guitar ever, like whoa, the guitar of your life, the dream, the most dreaming guitar ever, just like it's yours, like with no doubts, that one that you dreamt on, and even better than you can imagine. And pianos will be all over the place, like whatever you need. If you like to dance, like you're gonna have the best tap shoes ever, whatever you like. You're a break dancer, you'll have everything you need, the best beat, the best sounds, the best performers. Everyone will surround you, and everything will be perfect and fit to everyone else in such harmony that by that we'll understand the unconditional love of the Creator to His creations. And with that positive spirit, we're gonna walk toward the Holy Land of Israel, to the holy city of Yerushalayim, to see the holy face of the Almighty. Not His reflection anymore, just His real true face. And in that journey of walking as one person toward the holy city of Jerusalem, to Zion, in that journey we'll build the vessels of humility and appreciation and gratitude, to accept the face of the Creator, of the Lord, of God, of Hashem, in His chosen place, in the place that He chose. And over there in Jerusalem it will be fantastic. And Mashiach, the real Messiah, He will walk with us, He will lead us. Him and His wife and His children, that amazing family, will lead us to the redemption. And everyone will know Him, and everyone will understand their position in the redemption, and there will be no jealousy and no envy, and no one will be angry at each other, and everyone will be happy to see each other succeeding and blooming and rising, and it will be just perfect. Perfect. It will be just perfect. The world does not exist. Because Olam Milshon Ne'elem, the world is just blocking the light of truth. The world calls Alma Deshika, world of lie. It's just a fake. We're just inside of an illusion. It's just a fake. We're just